Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is January 3rd, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, we had a really good day here at the Oil Trading Group. We had a CL trade that went nearly $2,000. We had an ES trade that was one lot for $1,000. So it was a very, very good trading day in here, and it was a great way to get the new year started here on the second day. We had a little bit of a challenge yesterday, but we cleaned that up nicely today with the trades that we took here. So a couple things that I'm going to share with you here. What you're going to see here, and I'm going to show you this here in just a few minutes. We tried to get in. Let me explain here a little bit real quick. We had this opportunity. We ended up getting short here today on the CL. What we were looking for is the market to come up into this area, peel back, rally back into this zone, and then look for the short kind of underneath where price action had been chopping around, and then we were looking to get short out of this area. So normally what I do is you're going to see two price ladders on the screen, very similar to what you see here. What you're going to hear from me, and I'm going to play this for you here in just a moment, is you're going to hear and see me get hit but no fill at 19. Now, off screen, I also trade a live account here on Sierra Chart, and this is with one of our funded trading programs that we support. This is Earn to Trade. You can see here that there was a $1,980 CL trade. Again, you can tell that when I turn this on into the simulator mode, that the color of this window changes color, and there was nothing here in the P&L on the simulator. And when you come back and make this a live account, you can see that this changes color, and then you're there at 1980. Now, I got hit but no fill on that short here on this account on the CL. And by the way, here is that, again, P&L there you can see on this trade. I did happen to get in on this price ladder because I ended up getting in at 18, right? So as I'm trying to manage in the trade room and off screen, trading both accounts, sometimes one trade gets in a little bit sooner than the other trade, and that's exactly what happened here to me today. And so I'm going to let you listen to watch the hit but no fill, and I'll explain while I'm doing that, or why I am doing that rather, on the other side. So I'm going to let you watch this hit but no fill entry that we called here on the CL, and then we'll come back and talk about that on the other side. Start short right here on the CL at 19 short. 19 short. Okay, there's hit but no fill at 19. I got hit but no fill at 19. All right, so again, you can see that I got hit but no fill there on that price ladder that you see normally on the screen. I was fortunate enough to get filled at 18 in that live account that you see that I showed you there just a few moments ago. For the sake of screen real estate, it's hard to get all the price ladders and everything on screen, so I did fortunately get filled there. The reason I'm telling you that is I'm going to show you where I ended up getting into an ES trade, and I'm going to bring this price ladder over in front of you. It's about halfway through the trade. I'm going to bring that price ladder over, and then you're going to see the price ladder, and you're going to hear me talk about it for a couple of minutes. But I just wanted to give you an idea that that trade was called live in the trade room, and there were other traders that actually did get in. And so I wanted you to know that that was discussed live in the trade room. There is a live account being traded behind that so that you could see, and you'll see that later as we go through the video. So let's talk about what we did here today on the ES. It was an excellent ES trade. In fact, we looked to get short right up here today at our structure mid, and so as the market was rallying up, came back down, pulled up into our structure mid. We ended up looking to get short here, and eventually comes down and touches our target. Now I get trail stopped out pretty tall, as I thought this thing was actually going to go deeper while we were in this mode here. And come all the way down into this extension one, which it really never did. But we did get a very handsome one lot, almost 21-point winner out of this CL move here off of our structure mid. So the market comes up into this high. We were looking kind of short bias today. Basically, there was some Apple news that came out yesterday, and the markets have been kind of short, and there's been a lot of volatility, and we traded one lot, and we were looking for that market to go ahead and come down here today. So we did not take the long off of this level. We waited for it to break down, pull back into it, and structure comes down into the structure mid. Now, these boxes just simply represent kind of the range that we look around these levels. And so once the market came through, broke this level, comes all the way down into that structure target. Now, there were people in the trade room that took the price off of that structure target. I did not. I let it come back. We really thought we were going to be able to come all the way back down into this extension one, given the speed and nature of that move on the ES. Ultimately, as we get into later in the day, it comes right back up to your structure mid, this level here where it just started that move all over again. So you had a couple of opportunities to really take advantage of that really strong move. On the CL today, again, I told you this is exactly what we were looking for in the trade room. Same kind of idea. We were looking to get short today. The reason for the short is that we had, there's still some concern about supply and the overall, and I won't go into all the detail here, but we did a really good extensive kind of analysis in the trade room while we were looking short. We said we wanted to see this pattern develop, and that's exactly what happened, and the market sold off on the day. So I'm going to let you watch that again. Just keep in mind that I did get hit but no fill on that price ladder you see here to the far left on the screen. We do have the trader view, we have the Sierra chart price ladder that we did ultimately get filled on in our earn to trade live account. And so you'll get to see some of that as well later in the video. So I wanted you to be able to see all of that as well. So anyway, having said all of that, I'm going to be quiet now and let you watch these OTG trades of the day.
All right, let's try 86.25 again here on the ES. Try 86.25 one more time here on the ES. Okay, there's in at 86.25. My stop here is 89.5. Sorry, 89.5 here is my stop. Now, we don't look at this price. I did get in here, right? You can see it's a $1,700 trade. I was able to get in here on this one because I got in at 18 up here, right? And so I'll just leave this on here for those of you that are managing that process. I'll leave this on if you're still in. Bringing that trail stop here to 57.